Hey everyone. Today, I've got an incredible story for you that's going to blow your mind and maybe even inspire you to start your own side hustle. Imagine making Rs 16 lakh a month. Yes, you heard that right. Rs 16 lakh. And from selling stickers online, meet 17-year-old Jay, a teen who turned his passion into a thriving business. Now you might be thinking, stickers? Really? But hold on, because what Jay did is nothing short of genius. It all started a couple of years ago when Jay was doodling in his school notebook. He had always loved drawing, but it was just a hobby. That is, until he noticed a growing trend on social media custom stickers. He saw people were using them on laptops, water bottles, and phones. Jay decided to give it a shot. He started by creating a few designs and showing them to his friends. They loved it. Encouraged by their feedback, he set up a small online store on platforms like Etsy and Instagram. He initially priced his stickers at Rs 50 each. The first month, he sold just 20 stickers, but Jay didn't give up. He learned from his customers, improved his designs, and invested in better materials. Soon, Jay's stickers were selling like hotcakes. He leveraged social media to showcase his designs, running targeted ads and collaborating with influencers. His followers grew, and so did his sales. But here's the kicker. Jay didn't just stop at selling stickers, he expanded his product line to include custom stationery and digital artwork. He also streamlined his production process by partnering with a local printing company, which allowed him to focus on design and marketing, and the results? Jay's business skyrocketed. He now ships hundreds of orders each month and has a dedicated customer base that loves his creative designs. So, what can we learn from Jay's success? First, find something you're passionate about. Passion fuels perseverance. Second, start small and don't be afraid to fail. Learn from your mistakes and improve. Third, leverage the power of social media. It's a golden opportunity to reach a global audience without a massive budget. Lastly, always look for ways to innovate and expand. Jay started with stickers but diversified his offerings to keep his customers coming back for more. Jay's story is a powerful reminder that age is just a number. With creativity, hard work, and smart marketing, anyone can turn a simple idea into a lucrative business. So, what are you waiting for? Get out there, find your niche, and start building your dream business today. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more inspiring stories. Catch you in the next video.